Yes, bearded dragons, they do shed. Let's talk a little bit more about this. Good, strong bones. All of us want to have good, strong bones and grow. So sometimes you see your bearded dragon and maybe you might notice a little bit of flakiness or some things going on. That's a shed. That's your bearded dragon growing. And these little guys, they shed a lot, and they shed in really small parts all over their body. Now the bigger guys over 2 years old, they may not shed but once or twice a year because they grow a little bit slowly, but a lot of that has to do with their food. You want to feed these little guys a lot more protein when they're younger, whereas you want to make sure that the diet of the bigger dragons over 2 years old have about only 25% of insects and the rest in fruits and vegetables. One of the most common things I see with bearded dragons is they're overweight. Yes, bearded dragons can get a little bit fat. So we want to make sure we really give them the right amount of proteins, but we want to make sure we give them fruits and vegetables so they don't get overweight and get other kind of metabolic type disease as well as liver problems or overgrowth. That's one of the things I see. So make sure you feed your bearded dragon the proper amount, and shedding is really normal. So what happens if bearded dragons get what we call partial sheds? You can soak them. You can put them in an appropriate size pan. You can let them go in, just kind of do a nice little rinse and soak and remove that extra shed. Other than that, bearded dragons make amazing pets. If you want to learn more information about your pet, click to find a PetSmart veterinary service near you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel.